Imagine waking up on top of a mountain road, sunlight pouring through panoramic glass, while a 600 horsepower giant quietly hums beneath your feet. This isn't just travel, this is command of the road. Meet the Scania Double Decker 686 Motorhome 2026, a rolling luxury fortress built for those who refuse to choose between adventure and comfort. From the moment this towering machine appears on the horizon, it feels less like a vehicle and more like a private moving penthouse designed to conquer any terrain on Earth. Let's talk numbers, because exclusivity has its price. Depending on customization and regional taxes, this masterpiece typically starts around $800,000 and can climb well beyond $1.2 million for fully bespoke builds. Behind it stands Scania, the legendary Swedish brand known for crafting some of the world's toughest commercial vehicle, now blending industrial strength with ultra-luxury living. This motorhome isn't mass-produced, it's curated, engineered and tailored for elite explorers who demand reliability wrapped in refinement. From the outside, the design is nothing short of cinematic. The double-decker profile gives it an unmistakable presence, while the aggressive 6x6 stance signals serious off-road intent. Sharp LED lighting, bold grille styling, reinforced bumpers, and massive all-terrain tires transform it into a futuristic expedition truck. Every panel feels purposeful, every line designed for both aerodynamics and authority. Whether parked in a desert, a forest, or outside a five-star resort, it looks equally at home. Step inside, and the story changes from rugged to refined in seconds. You're welcomed by premium wood finishes, soft ambient lighting, and expansive living spaces spread across 2 levels. Downstairs hosts a designer lounge, a fully equipped kitchen with modern appliances, and a luxury bathroom, while upstairs feels like a private suite in the sky, complete with king-size bed, wardrobe, and panoramic windows. Plush seating, climate control zones, and hotel-grade materials turn every journey into a first-class experience. Powering this rolling mansion is Scania's formidable diesel engine, pushing roughly 580 to 600 horsepower through a heavy-duty 686 drivetrain. Massive torque ensures effortless climbing on steep grades, deep sand, or muddy trails. This isn't about speed, it's about unstoppable momentum. The advanced transmission works seamlessly with intelligent traction systems, giving you confident control even when the road completely disappears. Behind the wheel, the driving experience is surprisingly composed for something this massive. The elevated seating position offers commanding visibility, while adaptive suspension smooths out rough surfaces with impressive grace. Despite its size, steering feels precise, and highway cruising is calm and quiet, making long-distance travel feel almost meditative. It's the rare kind of vehicle that makes you feel powerful yet relaxed at the same time. Safety hasn't been left behind in the pursuit of luxury. The Scania Double Decker comes loaded with advanced driver assistance systems including adaptive cruise control, lane support, blind spot monitoring, emergency braking, and stability management. The reinforced chassis and high-strength construction provide exceptional protection, while multiple cameras give you a full 360-degree view, making tight maneuvers far less intimidating. Technology ties everything together beautifully. A central touchscreen controls lighting, climate, entertainment, and energy systems. Solar panels, large battery banks, and onboard generators allow for extended off-grid living. High-speed connectivity options keep you online wherever you roam, while premium sound systems and smart home integration turn the cabin into a connected sanctuary on wheels. In terms of practicality, this motorhome is built for real-world exploration. Massive storage compartments swallow adventure gear with ease, freshwater and waste tanks support long stays, and slide-out sections expand living space when parked. Its biggest strengths are obvious: unmatched presence, true off-road capability, and luxury that rivals high-end apartments. Minor drawbacks: its sheer size can be challenging in tight urban spaces, and fuel consumption is naturally on the heavy side. But if you're shopping in this category, those are compromises you already understand. So who is this extraordinary machine for? The Scania Double Decker 6x6 Motorhome 2026 is for visionaries, explorers, and dreamers who want the world as their backyard without giving up comfort. It stands out because it refuses to be ordinary, blending brute strength with refined living in a way few vehicles ever achieve. This isn't just a motorhome, it's freedom on 6 wheels, a mobile luxury retreat, and a bold statement that the journey should be just as incredible as the destination.